Today we're going to talk about Power BI and how to change one of these search fields here into a drop-down menu. Now, you're not going to apply this to everything that you work on. Obviously, you want them for predefined sets of data. But in this example, by plan, we're actually pulling plan names out of Planner. I've said Planner several times there. And we can easily list those instead of having people have to remember which Planner plans are actually in this search criteria. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and jump to it on how we can adjust this search field into a drop-down menu. So this is really pretty simple. With your Power BI open, let's go ahead and click on the field that you want to convert. Now notice here that right now I'm on text filter. So if any of you are looking for this, you can add this, by the way, by where it says get more visuals. Just look for text filter, and that's what we're working with here. But we want to convert the text filter here using Slicer. So go ahead and click on Slicer. Now if you notice here, Slicer, it's just giving me the names of the plans. Okay, but it's not giving me a drop down yet. This is a list. So if you wanted to do a list, you could select it like this, right? Or erase. So that works. Also, by the way, on this list, if you go over here to the format, you can tell it how you want that to perform. So you've got lots of settings in here. Do you want single select, multiple select, show select all option, you know, those type of things. So we'll leave show select on just to kind of keep it fun for us here. And then we're going to go ahead and just make this into a drop down menu. So you click here, say drop down. Now that's pretty easy, right? So now we're selected to all. Notice here we're still at all. But let's say that we want to, let me see, is it 413? Okay. So here, notice that we've searched for a task here, 413, for example, which has that number in it. But if we click here, it just tells us that that's in Plan VTC. So it works also nice if when you select something and you search for something, the plan will tell you what plans they are. Down at the bottom of the screen, it tells you how many, but if you just click on plan, you'll be able to see the name of the plans that all those tasks are in as well.